person did. Wow. My name's David Marnet. And this is the fireworks this is a Naruto one. It spawns more fireworks when Naruto's got a pop. Look at this. It's spawning a million. It's spawning a million missiles. I have to run away from these missiles. It's a million. I don't know where it came from. It looks more better in real life. Because my screen is kind of blurry. I'm playing it, sorry. When you're comboing your friend, be like, that one friend that comboed. It's the firework combo! Triple hit.
Oh, okay. There's a blanket.
I can see you. Why is it not exploding? Explode already! It's the clone firework. Minecraft with from Walmart Temu, from Canadian Tire in the oven. Yeah, sorry for the quality of the photo. Yeah, sorry. This is really close to light. My iPad's shocked. Only if I clean the camera. I forgot to clean the camera. Well, I have to pray I'm not sick today. I have to pray. I literally need to make a video. I need to pray out that I'm not sick. I'm a small content creator. So please, at least let me enjoy. I have a good life.
I don't know. I like
I like how it just explodes. It actually is green. Okay, that thing. It's a green and turning into red. Yeah, green, red. What? Listen, stars, I want 1 million Robux. Sorry for the people who did not enjoy the fireworks, but I'm showcasing it. I made one video, but I messed it up. So like, I messed up one part. Like as soon as it started, I made a video, but when I ended it, it started. So yeah, I'm showcasing. Wait, I just saw 2 fireworks hit each other. I just saw 2 fireworks hit each other. Oh, Big Bang. It's a good firework. It's good firework. Sorry, I should have screen. I swear, if you have to turn your screen for this video, I'm gonna be so mad at YouTube. No, you have to do it. That one friend, when he uses that one character in TSB, what character looks like. Powerful girls from Pokemon.
I see purple.
Why does that look like a woman? A woman giant. Oh no, it's Ben's fear. It's Ben's fear. Women. It's my fear. Guys, it's so worth it watching it. I hope no content creators actually use this video just for clout. I bet this video is like 8 minutes long right now. Like 8 minutes and 43 minutes. Like, dang, it's already that long. Like it took like 1 minute for this. Those things are like the light explosions. Okay, there, now they're the explosion. Girls' anger be like? Boys' anger? That's boys' anger. That's anger right there. Now that's Queso when he just ate Taco Bell. I don't sponsor people. I don't sponsor no games. Not even I'm not a sponsor, okay? Get off, you fly. Sorry, there was just a fly on my screen. Yeah, it smells like a wildfire. We're actually using fire for a long time. Let's showcase food. Showcase food. Showcase food. I can see that. I can see it too. Do? Can I show food? I'll showcase it all in the video later. I don't know why I'm gonna showcase it about potatoes. I'm gonna do it 2 times. 11 minutes. It's already been 11 minutes since this video has happened. The reason why the day feels short sometimes is because you forget some of the time. So it feels just like in school sometimes. Yeah, that's the one thing I love. But I also hate it. Like when you do like a very cool project and you forget it. That's the only thing. It smells like a wildfire. I swear, if like someone didn't come to the fireworks, I feel bad for you. I mean, for my parents, for some of my parents. Yeah, don't mind. I want to be my mom and subscribers. We're at 2,000. I want to be her subscribers. So please sub if you want. This thing sounds like a fly. Is this the firework gun or what? I can see you're also recording. Look at the vid. Look at this. Yeah. Man, 13 minutes. Okay, why am I saying minutes? Really, you could just like see how much minutes it's been. Sorry for doing that. What? I didn't. Yeah, so my friend ran out of storage. He can't do the video anymore. So he can't show the full fireworks, sadly. I'll run out soon. I'll upload it and then I'll delete the video and delete us. Because this is just going to be time if I keep it. Like I won't be getting I won't be able to download any other. I mean, my mom has bought me more stuff actually. She didn't buy me stuff, but she used to do it like a lot. How does it look like a big mushroom? How does it look like mushrooms? Mushrooms are growing. What fireworks have to explode? I want 7 billion times to explode. Like 7 billion. I just wonder why. Like they just explode a billion. Like it's 1 to a billion. Like how? Like look at this. What about this one? Yeah, like that. Why does it explode like a billion at a time? Look at this one. That thing went to Brazil. I know, I still have storage left. I still have some storage left. I might not be able to showcase the full video. I might have to cut it too. I'll cut it at like 20 minutes at least.